First of all, bitch, you got me fucked up. I ain't blowing shit unless I get my dick sucked.
Alright, hey y'all. Thanks for clicking on this video. This is my birthday get ready with me. I just want to say thanks to everyone that watched and that is going to watch. So before we go ahead and get started into this video, y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel, become a part of the E-Killers, join the fam. Excuse me. Yeah, and this is the end result.
Fuck you. After this, how you a boss and you don't know shit. Knowing I ain't chasing, you know I got my own bitch.
Put me on they fuck list, but it's not true. Maybe it's the money, cause the grind don't stop and the money keep calling. I kinda wish I had time for it.
Everybody stand, cause you know you wanna look it for a trap star. You pull up in that foreign, that's a NASCAR. To these little bitches, I'm a rap star. Swerve, 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 swerve. Swerve, 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 swerve. Swerve, 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 swerve. Swerve, 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 swerve.
When I step out, I'm killing it. My hair, nigga, this ever see shit. Young Miami, they killing this. Raw or roller, I hit a lick.
Swerve. Swerve, swerve, swerve. He wanna fuck, but he gotta be a millionaire. He wanna fuck, but he gotta be a millionaire. He wanna fuck, but he gotta be a
QC on my neck, 10 carats. Broke hoes tryna hit the carrots.
bitch. I'm living life too reckless. Got your whole life savings on my necklace. Might fuck your baby daddy cause I'm reckless. Little bitch, I know you never.
Edges, and I just went back over with my foundation, and for me to get the look like this kind of a wet kind of look, I just went in with the Shea Moisture, this right here, and I just sprayed it like this. Lift the front up, kind of like where I have the little part at. And you see, it just gave me that little look. See how I got my lace looking like, bitch, what? And then if you want, let's see, you can take your brush and then give it that, oh, give it that.
Space on the plane, 699. It's that season when niggas cut a check for no reason. It's that season when niggas cut a check for no reason. It's that season you gon' cut it away when niggas cut a check for no. It's that season when niggas cut a check for no reason.
First of all, bitch, you got me fucked up. I ain't blowing shit unless I'm getting my dick sucked.